Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then I'm Shatijan and this is my channel, That Untold Dreamer. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go and subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get notification. So, from the title, as you got to know, it's a Nykaa haul video. These are the couple of the products that I ordered in my past few months. So, I'm gonna share with you guys. So also want to share my experience with these products, and yeah, I will give you some tips and tricks on this. I want to share experience with you guys, and I hope you will enjoy it. So first product is this Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. This is my first primer that I used, and yeah, I really like this primer, and this is of rupees 4.99. I use it in very little amount.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Just this. Use it on that area where I need it, like where I have to cover up my pores and acne. So second product is Swiss Beauty Baked Kit highlighter and blusher. I really don't use much this because is too shimmery. Even the blush is too shimmery to use, so you can see it. You can see that it's too shimmery. I don't like blush to be shimmer, so that's why I don't use much this blusher and highlighter palette much. And if you are the person who like the blush to be little bit shimmery, or you like that kind of things, you can go for that definitely. And I purchased it of rupees 279. It's an offer. The actual price of this product is like rupees 349, I guess. Okay, so my next product is concealer. It's Maybelline concealer, and the another one is from Insight. So yeah, this is Insight Pro Concealer. It's in shade of 04 Golden Sand, and this is Maybelline Aged Wine Concealer. It is in shade of 122 Sand. So let me open this. You can see it. If you are following me on Instagram, or you have checked my previous videos on YouTube, so you can see I have used this concealer, and this is my now I am using this concealer. I like the concealer. If you are the beginner or you want the concealer in your budget, so you can definitely go with this concealer. It's from Insight, and it is of rupees 180. But the only fact I don't like it is like coverage. It will not give you full coverage. The concealer from the Maybelline, it will give you a full coverage definitely, and I liked it. This Maybelline one concealer, I've got it for rupees 403. It's also an offer going on when I purchased this concealer. The actual price is like rupees 620. If you want a full coverage concealer, I think you will definitely go with this one. And if you are the person who want like concealer as just to cover your dark circles and don't want to spend much on concealer, you will definitely go with the Insight one. It's of rupees 180. So next product is Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner. तो मैंने इसको परचेज़ किया था. आई वॉन्ट टू गिव अ ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट. अबाउट आई थिंक मुझे ना नायका के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं कि मुझे एक बार ट्राई करना चाहिए हर एक प्रोडक्ट. लाइक तो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस प्रोडक्ट but I didn't like it much. As you can see, the brush, I found the brush is so thin कि मुझसे इतने थिन ब्रश से काम नहीं किया जाता. मतलब I can't go like winged from this too thin
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
thin brush. You can see. I use Lakme's eyeliner. The brush is better than this brush. You can see it's so thin. I use this brush. मैं इस ब्रश से शेप देती हूँ अपने विंग को और समथिंग. If I have to draw something on my face and do some artwork with that, I do these kind of works from this liner, but I don't use as an eyeliner because इसका ब्रश बहुत पतला है, बहुत ज़्यादा. मुझसे इससे विंग नहीं बनता और मैं यूज़ भी नहीं कर पाती उसी ढंग से अपना आइज़ पे. मे बी इट्स फॉर मी, बट मैंने ऐसे भी देखे जिनको बिल्कुल थिन ब्रश पसंद है आईलाइनर के लिए. दे विल गो विद स्मूथ आईलाइनर विद दीज काइंड ऑफ थिन ब्रशेस. बट या आई डोंट लाइक इट. मुझसे नहीं होता इतने थिन ब्रश का. सो मैं मुझे लैक्मे का, आई विल शो यू. दिस इज़ अ लैक्मे आईलाइनर. आई लाइक इट मच देन दिस वन. देखो इसका ब्रश एटलीस्ट वो थोड़ा यूज़ करने के लायक तो होता है. अब अगर आप नायका का वो लाइनर यूज़ करोगे यहाँ इस साइड, इनर कॉर्नर साइड, तो वो बहुत ही पतला दिखता ही नहीं है बिल्कुल ही. सी द डिफरेंस. मुझे इतने पतले लाइनर्स पसंद नहीं है, उन पे शायद सूट नहीं करते, तो मैं अपना मुझे ऐसे थोड़े, मुझे ऐसे लाइनर पसंद. तो it's up to your choice guys. I didn't like it because of the brush. Otherwise it is good and waterproof and it's long lasting. And I bought it for rupees 299. Next is one of my favorite product. It's highlighter, Master Chrome by Face Studio metallic highlighter. I liked it. It is in molten gold. It's a 2 shades. I think molten gold is one of them and second is molten rose. I liked it so much. You can see it. I like it. This highlighter can go with any of your look, And if you are the person who does not like heavy looks or something, you want a simple look and nude look, so you should purchase the molten rose. That will go with these kind of light makeups, but it also will go with the light makeups too, but I will suggest to buy molten rose if you are the person who like the light makeups. So yeah, I purchased it of rupees 385. It's again on some of kind of sale is going on, so I purchased it of rupees 385, but the actual price is more than that, 550 I guess. So you can check it out definitely on the Nykaa app. And yeah, if you want to give a try, you can definitely go with that, and it will worth it. It is worth it. I use it so many times, but still you can see इसके अंदर बहुत सारा भी right? Yeah, you can go with that. So the next product is these palette. I think without these palette I am nothing like. I love this palette. Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and it of, अगर मैं आपको इसका प्राइस बताऊंगी you will be like shock. क्या? So yeah, it's of rupees 950. These 2 palettes I got of these 950 guys, and मेरे लिए तो ये सबसे अच्छा मौका to grab this deal. So I am the one, the way your son don't need a. Yeah. but the actual price of these two palettes is 1900. I got it of rupees 950. ये ऐसी पैलेट्स हैं, इसके अंदर आपको सारे शेड्स मिलेंगे जो आपके डेली बेसिस और पार्टी वेयर लुक्स में काम आएंगे. दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑर्डर दीज पैलेट. चेक इट आउट. And if you see guys, this palette is so pigmented. You can see. Oh. You can see. If I took this shimmer shade, I am in totally love with this palette. It's like, I think you should invest on this palette if you are a beginner, or if you want to start something related to makeup and something like that. You can definitely go with that. So last is my lipstick collection. These are my lipstick collections, and these all are from Nykaa, and I think these are my absolute favorite lip shades. I can go with these in any look, just show you. You guys know these three lip shades are of same shade. These two are the mini ones and these are the bigger one. I firstly ordered the mini version of this shade to test it out whether it's good and whether it's like मेरे पे अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, तो I ordered this one, mini one. Then I ordered this one, and yeah, so I recently buy this with again. It's in shade 05 Madras Kapi. It's so good guys. I'm gonna आपको दिखाती हूँ guys. This lip shade. You can see. I think this is the best nude lip shade. I'm right now wearing this shade only, Madras Kapi. I don't know कि कैमरा पे कैसा मतलब आपको दिख रहा है, but it's looks so good and so pretty. In the mini one, I tried this. It is in shade 17 Gul. I also tried Janvi. जितना आपको ये दिख रहा है ना गुल, उससे हल्का सा लाइटन जानवी होगा. बहुत ही प्यारे, मतलब लाइक माय फेवरेट लिप शेड्स. दोनों ही बहुत प्यारे हैं. Another lip shade is Nykaa So Creamy Matte Lip Shade in the shade of Walk the Walk. You can see it. So lovely. आई थिंक आपने सेम लग रहा होगा गुल और ये वॉक द वॉक, बट नहीं, हल्का सा डिफरेंस है इसमें. इट्स सो गुड एंड सो नाइस. आई लव इट ऑल द लिपस्टिक दैट आई परचेज्ड अभी तक. लाइक मुझे ऐसा कोई रिग्रेट नहीं हुआ कि मैंने यार ये लिप शेड मंगवा लिया पर यूज़ नहीं आ रहा, मेरे कुछ काम करने और मेरे पे सूट नहीं कर रहा. नथिंग लाइक दैट. जितने भी अब तक लिप शेड मंगवाए हैं, इट्स लाइक आई लव इट यार. आई टोटली लव इट. These mini I got of rupees 239. This one of rupees 299. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like the video, enjoy the video. आई थिंक मैंने आपको थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प कर दी होगी कि कौन से कलर आपको सूट करेंगे एंड कौन सा आपको लेने चाहिए. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video and if you liked the video, you can subscribe my channel, you can hit the bell icon, and you can like the video and share with your friends and with your loved ones. Till then, bye bye.